Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the uname command. Okay, the uname command is simply the short name for the Unix name. Okay, and basically the function of u command is to print out the detailed information about your Linux system, such as machine name, operating system, kernel, and so on. Alright, first of all I have to open up the terminal, and in the terminal I'm gonna simply write the uname and it will simply tell you the name of your system, which is the Linux. So we also have the other options which we're gonna explore. So for example, I want to know the name of my kernel, so I'm gonna write name, okay, and s. It will simply give you the name of your kernel, which is again the Linux, so it will simply gonna return you the same result. Okay, but we do also have the other options definitely, which we will explore. So I'm gonna write now uname r for the kernel release date. Okay, it will tell you the release date of your kernel. And now I'm gonna write uname v. It will simply tell you the version of your kernel. And now I'm gonna write the n. It will simply tell you the host name on your Linux, which is obviously my name along with the laptop's name. All right, and now we're gonna explore the hardware name. For that we're gonna use m. And now we're gonna explore the platform name, and for that I'm gonna write the I here, which is unknown for my system. And now I'm gonna write p for the processor type. Okay, is not the capital C. Okay, which is still unknown for my system. And now I'm gonna write the O for the operating system, which is GNU Linux. All right, and in the end, if you want to see all of this information all together, all you need to do, you're gonna simply write the A and it will tell you everything that we have seen here. As you can see here, it will simply tell you the name of your kernel, version, the host name, and everything that we have discussed here. So this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.